Okay, next one I want to talk about is redirecting. So in Next.js, we have many different ways to redirect user to different route. So we got API called redirect and a permanent redirect. And the difference is like they can return different stated code that actually gonna have an impact on SEO. If we do Google SEO and if we do permanent redirect, it actually gonna refresh the index from Google search engine. And we can use like a hook use router to do that, and we can do redirect on config file, and we can do redirect on middleware. And let me just show you the example. Okay, from first one we're gonna do like we're gonna use redirect API and permanent redirect. So let's redirect. So look at this code here. Get data when this ID is not ID is checking failed, and we're gonna redirect user to login. So let me just test this out. So we are on home page. Okay, because the data it doesn't have ID on it, so it just let me just show you. As you can see, the data is like a empty object, so I'm gonna redirect to login page. So we can use redirect redirect API from Next.js, and we can also use permanent. Permanent that they do the same work, but it have different effect on search engine. As you can see, it does the same work, but it's gonna affect on SEO. Okay, that's like two API we can do redirect. Okay, next one we can use router hook, because we're gonna use like directive call and use client, because we use the hook here. So we have a button here. When we click the button, it's gonna push to login. So it's kind of like redirect. If we use that on use effect, that's gonna redirect us. So same as here, like gonna redirect, take us to login. Yeah, we can use router to do that. And another way is that we can do the config to redirect. We can, let me just say, if we have a config here, right? And then let me just open that. So if we on a root URL, we're gonna take user to login, and we also can say that is this gonna be permanent or not here. So let's say save that. So we're going to home page. It's gonna take to login page, because we have we redirect on the config setting here. So we go to home page. It takes to login page. Okay, so far so good. We have like 4 different ways to do that already. And let's say there's another way. We can use middleware. Let's say if I'm gonna create a middleware. And then I'm gonna put this code in there. So if we look at this, middleware, they're gonna accept requests. We can log out the request, and we can use the function inside next response. So the matcher is gonna hit the matches. So like if I'm going to dashboard here, right, or anything behind anything like under dashboard, it's gonna take me to login. Let's try that out. Let's see if that's gonna work. Dashboard. Can you see that it take me to login? Let me just restart it, make sure that take effect. So let's say we're gonna go dashboard again. Can you see that it take me back to login here? So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways to redirect user to different route.